Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and your game keeps crashing to desktop, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing to desktop easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform and now you're going to go to your Crimson Desert games folder. So right click on Crimson Desert and then go into manage and then click browse local files. If you can't do that, the default location of Crimson Desert should be in your C drive. So I'll show you the default location as well. You're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go into C, program files 86, Steam, then Steam apps afterwards, and then common. And here you should have Crimson Desert's folder here. Here it is. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna right click on the Crimson Desert exe file and then just delete this exe file. And once you delete this exe file, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up Steam and you're gonna right click on Crimson Desert and then go into properties, go into install files, and then you're gonna click verify integrity of games files. Once you click onto that, it will re-download that Crimson Desert exe file for you. And once it does that, now you're gonna go back to your games folder. You're going to right click on the Crimson Desert exe, then go into properties, go into compatibility, and here you're going to click on to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Afterwards click apply and then OK, and now you can try to play Crimson Desert and you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.